range. Let's say this 10, 50. So what the count blank function simply does is that it counts the number of blank cells. There we go. So say equal sign count blank, count, there it is, counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. We'll say count blank, we'll say this range, right? Then we'll close it. If we press the enter key, it should be able to give us the answer as 2 because there are two, yeah, there it is, because there are 2 blank cells in this range that I entered in the formula.